Hello students, today we are going to continue our lesson Mrs. Addis and the writer of the lesson is Sheila K. Smith. Okay, in last period we discussed that Crouch, the person, was in the house of Lady Mrs. Addis and Mrs. Addis gave him some ceilings and asked him to run away from there. As soon as he come out the door and as soon as he opened the door and was on the he was on that threshold. They heard the sound of footstep, and that's why Mrs. Addis asked Crouch to go back in the shed, and she again locked the door upon him. Thereafter, for a moment, thereafter, for some time, they again heard the footstep, and which were drew nearer, and they came slowly and heavily this time. At this time, she thought that it was not Tom. Okay, then in anxiety and curiosity, Peter Crouch put his eyes one of the numerous cracks in the door, and he looked through into the kitchen, and he saw that Mrs. Addis go to the cottage door. Before he could open the door, the man, came in quickly and shut it behind him. Okay, we discussed about it in last period. Now we are going to continue our passage on page number 48. The passage is Crouch recognized. समझ में आया ना कि मिसेस एडिस ने कुछ सीलिंग दिए थे क्राउच को, और उसे वहाँ से जाने के लिए कहा था, लेकिन जैसे ही वो दरवाज़ा खोल के बाहर आए तो उन्हें वहाँ पे फुट स्टेप सुनाई दिए। तो मिसेस एडिस ने फिर से क्राउच को अंदर जाने के लिए कहा, और उसने वो शेड को लॉक कर दिया। उसके बाद वो किचन से जब वो आवाज़ नियरर उसको उसे सुनाई दी, तो वो जैसे दरवाज़ा खोलने से पहले ही वो एक आदमी अंदर आया, और उसने अपने पीछे से दरवाज़ा बंद कर लिया। ओके, तो आगे क्या होता है देखना है। Crouch recognized Widler, one of the creepers of the Courtney's castle, and he felt his hands and feet grow leaden cold. Okay, now Crouch was observing from the cracks of that door, which was there is a crack on the door of shed, and he was watching from that cracks, and he watched that he saw that Crouch recognized Widler. Widler is the name the person who entered in the house of door behind him. Okay, so Crouch ने उसे पहचान लिया था। He was one of the creeper of the Scotney castle, and he felt his hands and feet and grow leaden cold. It means feel very frightened. Widler was very frightened, and they had followed him. They had taken refuge with Mrs. Addis. As soon as he recognized Widler, and he was very frightened. Now he knew that person knew where the Crouch was, and that's why they followed Crouch, and they guessed that possible that Crouch was in the house of Mrs. Addis, and that's why Widler was there. He thought, okay, so क्राउच ने क्या सोचा कि विडलर को देख के उसने उसे पहचान लिया कि वो जो कीपर थे कैसल का जो कीपर था उनमें से एक था, और शायद चल गया था कि मिसेस एडिस के घर पे ही उसने मतलब क्राउच ने शेल्टर लिया है, और आ गया है, इस तरह से वो गेस किया उसने। It was all up. He was not. It was all up. Now it was finished. Now he was caught by that person. He was not really hidden. There was no place for him to hide. Now he thought that there was no place for him to hide, and he was now caught by the keeper, Widler. Okay, directly they opened the door, तो ये क्या करेंगे, वो जो दरवाजे Okay, so the man in the kitchen seemed to have some difficulty in saying what he wanted to Mrs. Addis. He stood before her silently and twisting his cap. Now he again observing that the person who entered in the house of Mrs. Addis named Widler, and he was very the man was the man in the kitchen seemed to have some difficulty to saying what he wanted to say with Mrs. Addis, and he was unable to speak something to tell something to Mrs. Addis, and he stood before silently twisting his cap. Well, what it is? She asked. I want to speak to you, ma'am. He asked that he wanted to speak something with Mrs. Addis. Peter Crouch listened, strained his ears. It means to try very hard to hear. वो जो पीटर क्राउच था वो दोनों की क्या बात चल रही है सुनने की पूरी कोशिश कर रहा था। उसने पूरा कान दे के उसे वो बात सुनने की कोशिश वो कर रहा था। Peter Crouch listened, straining his ears for his thudding heart. Thudding heart. It means heart beating very quickly and loudly due to fear. Okay. दिल उसका धक धक कर रहा था, दिल उसका धक धक कर रहा था, या फिर जोर जोर से दिल धड़क रहा था कि अब वो क्या कहेगा, है ना। नियरली डाउन हिज वॉइस इन द नेक्स्ट रूम। Oh no, he was sure he would not give him away. If only for Tom's sake, she was good sort, Mrs. Addis. Uh, when he observed that Widler wanted to tell something to Mrs. Addis, and there was a discussion between them. Then his heart became very loudly. Then his heart beat very loudly, and due to fear, and he drowned the voice in the next room. And he was now he was sure that lady Mrs. Addis would give him to the that person, the keeper, if she was only mother of Tom, and that's why for the sake of for Tom's sake she was good sort Mrs. Addis. Okay, कि टॉम की वजह से सिर्फ उस लेडी ने उसे वहाँ वहाँ पे शेल्टर दिया था, आश्रय दिया था, रुकने के लिए जगह दी थी। लेकिन शायद अब वो उन्हें उन लोगों को या उन कीपर्स को पता चल गया था कि टॉम के घर पे ही या मिसेस एडिस के घर पे ही ये पीटर क्राउच हो सकता है, और इसलिए वो वहाँ पे आए हैं। ये बात वो सोच रहा था। वेल सी सेड शार्पली एज द मैन। ओके, थोड़ा सा ये हो गया। Well, she said sharply, as the man remained tongue tied. Tongue tied, it means speechless. The man who entered directly into the house of Addis, he wanted to tell something to Mrs. Addis, but he could not say anything. He became speechless. He said, Mrs. Addis, that he had brought for her bad news, and her expressions changed. As soon as Mrs. Addis listened the words, I have brought you bad news. Then her expression changed. What isn't is it isn't Tom, is it? He's outside, said the keeper. What do you mean? Said Mrs. Addis, and she moved the door. Don't, ma'am, not till I have told you. Told me what? Oh, be quick, man. Mercy's sake, she tried to push past him to the door. Okay, the person who entered directly into the house of Mrs. Addis wanted to speak something with Mrs. Addis, but he could not speak. He became speechless, and in very sharp. एक minute. As the man remained tongue tied, and the man asked the lady that he had bought some bad news for Mrs. Addis. As soon as she heard the words bad news, her expressions were changed, and she asked, the bad news is about Tom's, is it? The keeper said, Tom is outside of the door. Then she asked that, what do you mean? And he could not tell something to the Mrs. Addis. Okay, तो वो जो पर्सन था, कौन, जो विडलर था उसे कुछ बात बतानी थी मिसेस एडिस को, लेकिन वो बता नहीं पा रहा था। वो सिर्फ उसने सिर्फ इतना कहा कि मैं आपके लिए कुछ बैड न्यूज़ लाया हूँ। तो मिसेस एडिस घबरा गई, उसके एक्सप्रेशन चेंज हो गए। उसने पूछा कि ये बैड न्यूज़ टॉम के बारे में तो नहीं है? तो उसने कहा कि वो बाहर है। तो बाहर है का क्या मतलब है? तो मिसेस एडिस घबरा गई और वो दरवाज़ा उसे पीछे छोड़ के वो दरवाजे के पास चली गई। ओके, there has been a row it means the person, Vidler tell something to Mrs. Addis. He informed Mrs. Addis that there has been a row it means quarrel. He said down by the cinderwood में कुछ लोगों के बीच में रॉ हो गई थी, quarrel हो गई थी. there was a chap there was a chap there was a chap there snaring rabbits, and Tom was walking with the broomers and me and old Crouch. Okay, in Cinderwood there are three creepers. One is Tom, second is broomers, and third is old Crouch. Okay, they were keepers and they were watching the that wood, and there was a chap who was snaring rabbit. Snaring it means trapping. In wooden in cinder wooden trapping to trap the rabbit. A chap was there, and Tom, Broomers, and Old Crotch walking with each other, and they heard the noise, and that's why we heard the noise. And there it was too dark to see it who it was, and directly he saw us. He made off, but we had scared him, and he let fly with his gun. ओके, तो सिंडरवुड में ये तीनों कीपिंग का काम कर रहे थे, मतलब ये तीनों कीपर्स थे। उन्होंने देखा कि एक पर्सन या कोई तो भी सिंडरवुड में आया है जो रैबिट को ट्रैप करना चाहता है। जैसे उन्होंने देखा तो उनका आवाज़ सुन के वो वहाँ से भागा, लेकिन भागते समय उसने क्या किया, अपनी गन चला दी, है ना। फ्लाई विथ हिज गन इट मीन्स ही शॉट। Okay, Tom, said Mrs. Addis. Now Mrs. Addis understood what happened in Cinderwood and what was the bad news. Bad news was that the son of Mrs. Addis was there with the person and old Crouch, and in the raw the person let fly his gun, and it may be possible that he was shot by that person. Tom was shot by that person, and that's why Mrs. Addis cried that Tom. समझ में आया ना कि वो जो विडलर वहाँ पे आया था उसने बताया कि सिंडरवुड में एक रैबिट का शिकार करने के लिए एक पर्सन आया था। वो अंधेरे की वजह से दिख नहीं पा रहा था। हमने उसे परस्यू किया, लेकिन जैसे उसे पता चला वो वहाँ से भागा, लेकिन भागते समय उसने अपनी गन चला दी। और ऐसे कहते ही मिसेस एडिस ने कहा टॉम। वो समझ चुकी थी कि व्हाट वाज द बैड न्यूज़। ओके, तो यहाँ पे हम रुकते हैं।